Okay, so today in front of me, I do have the iPhone 12 mini in purple. It's more like a periwinkle, but we'll get into that in a little bit. I just recently bought this iPhone for my youngest daughter's birthday. It's a smaller form factor, so it's a lot better for her small hands. So I just want to come here and give you a quick unboxing and give you a little bit of my opinion about this phone. But this video is definitely not a review, strictly just an unboxing.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, so before I unbox this phone, let me go ahead and give you some prices. So this phone starts out at $729 for the 64 gig, $779 for the 128 gig, and $879 for the 256 gig. And it also comes in 6 colors, which you have a white, a black, a blue, a green, product red, and then also this color right here, which is purple. To me, it's more like a periwinkle color, not so much purple. I mean, you can even go so far as to say even lilac, but not so much. So I would just say this is more of like a periwinkle. And I think periwinkle would have caught on a little bit better than just saying it was purple. I don't know. That's just my opinion. But they did introduce this at the Spring Reloaded event. I think that was back in March or April of this year. So I'm just now getting to this phone. And so, yeah, bringing this unboxing to you. So let's go ahead and unbox this. My daughter already unboxed this phone. Her birthday was yesterday. I'm just now getting to this video today. Procrastination is a dream killer. Yes, I know. But anyways, on the inside of this box, as you can see, you open it up. Normally there will be plastic on here. Before I get into the phone, talk about the contents on the inside of the box. So you do have some literature. I wish this sticker would have been color matched to the phone, but it's not. SIM removal tool, and you have some literature as well over here, which I'm not going to get into. And then also you do have your USB Type-C to lightning cable. No charging brick in here. If you want to get a charging brick, you should definitely head over to Anchor. They have a 30 watt, a 45 watt, and 65 watt charging brick for a very good price. Apple got rid of the charging brick, in my opinion, to make more money so that they charge you extra for it. They're going to say that they wanted to go and stop using so much material when they box stuff. Because if you remember, this is how thick the box used to be when the charger did come in here. But now all of the iPhone boxes are this slim. And as you can see from this box right here, this is from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's taller, but it's just as skinny. Okay, so as you can see, here is the phone right here, and it is in this nice purple color. I like to refer to it as periwinkle. You do have the nice aluminum border going around the outside, which is a little bit of a darker purple. This is a glass back as well. So you have your glass on the back, you have your glass on the front, you also have your flash, and then a microphone right here next to the 2 different camera lenses. You do have your A14 Bionic chip in here, which is similar to the entire iPhone 12 line. You also get your 5.4 Super Retina XDR display on here. 2 cameras on the back side. You have your wide and your ultra wide camera with a 2-time optical zoom, Dolby Vision HDR video that records up to 30 frames per second, up to 15 hours of video playback time. Now, since this is the smaller iPhone right here, the battery life is less than the other iPhone 12 models. My daughter, she will definitely be testing this out, pushing it to the limits, because she is going to stay on this phone now that school's out for longer periods of time. So if I end up doing a review video on this phone, maybe I might have her come and talk about how the battery life is when she's dealing with this phone. Also, this is water resistant up to 6 meters for 30 seconds. And then also you do have your MagSafe on the back right here, which is a new addition to the iPhone 12 lineup. And speaking of MagSafe, I do have a couple of accessories right here. I do have this MagSafe wallet from Moth. I am going to be reviewing these. So Moth, if you're watching this video, I didn't forget about you. Just been super busy. We'll be reviewing your wallets. But as you can see, perfect size, similar to the wallet that Apple sells, holds 3 cards. It doesn't go off the edge of the phone whatsoever. And then also it converts to a kickstand, so if you want to have it as a kickstand like that, and then also you can have it in landscape mode and the kickstand as well. So I actually tested these out for about 2 weeks, and I have mixed opinions about that, but go ahead and check that video out once I drop it to hear my opinion about the actual Moth wallet. And then also this 5,000 milliamp hour battery from Anker. It's a MagSafe battery, so just hook it on and there you go. You can charge your phone while you're using it with this. This, I wish, came in a 10,000 milliamp version in the same form factor. I think you'll be able to get a lot more use out of it. 5,000 milliamp hours to me is just not enough. But I will be doing a quick review video on this battery as well. So go ahead and check that out once I do have that posted. And so overall, people, yeah, I mean, I do like the smaller form factor. If you're in the market for a mobile device, you don't need the most expensive camera on the backside, and you want a smaller form factor phone with a very nice screen, this might be an option for you. Maybe not in this periwinkle color, but maybe in some of the other colors. I do really like this. I think it's good enough for maybe your average person that just wants a phone in a smaller form factor. It's a very, very good option for you. That's all I got for you, people. That is my quick unboxing of the iPhone 12 mini in periwinkle. As always, if this is your first time here or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my future tech videos. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.